Hi, I'm Lam. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're here to talk about an iconic serum from the Drunk Elephant family. And that is the, prepare for this, TLC Framboos Glycolic Night Serum. Wow, the name says it all. Before we begin this video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you like my content, you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing and click the bell notification button so that you'll be notified whenever I post a weekly videos. All the links to my social media and to similar videos that you might enjoy will be in the description box. Wow, this is the best time I have said all of that ever. Okay, let's get to the product, and first of all, let's read a little bit of information on what it's supposed to do, the pricing, the ingredients, the highlights, and then we'll talk about my experience with it, and then finally I will recommend whether you try it or not. Who is it for? Is it worth the enormous price tag? Let's start. On Sephora website, this Drunk Elephant Serum has two sizes. The one I have is the smallest size, which is 30 ml. I know it looks bigger than it actually is. And it's retailing for $90 US. I know. If you enjoy this serum and you want to save some money, get the bigger size because it is a 50 ml for $134 US. It's a better value than the 30 ml, but still super expensive. High-tech gel that resurfaces dull, congested skin by gently lifting away dead skin cells, dramatically improving the appearance of skin tone, texture, fine lines, wrinkles, and pores. The result is the look of greater clarity and luminosity practically overnight. There is a 12% of AHA and BHA blend, which is an exfoliant. Instead of using like a sugar, kind of like a scrub to take away the dead skin, you use a chemical. In the evening, apply to clean, dry face, neck, chest, and back of the hands, avoiding eye area. You can mix with a beauty oil. The disclaimer is that there is a slight tingling feeling might happen if your skin is very sensitive, so I would recommend to get a sample to test it out, and as best you should test it on the back of your wrist. Skin in this area is as sensitive and as thin as the skin on your face, so you will be able to tell if you are allergic to it, if it's going to cause you any redness, breakout, burning. It will be here. The first few times you use it, they say that it might be tingling, and then after that your skin will kind of get used to it, and then it will be gone. You will no longer have that weird tingling sensation anymore. They recommend start slowly by using it every other night. It also works well at a spot treatment. So if you have a pimple right here, like this cute little guy right here, you can use it as a spot treatment and it's supposed to go away. I have never used it that way personally, but maybe I should. Made in USA, 12 months of expiration date. The packaging is a plastic. It's not clear, which means the integrity of the ingredients inside will be protected. And this is the cool part. There is the top. You don't take it off like this. You twist the whole thing and the pump come up, and then you use it to pump out the product. That is very smart packaging, and it will protect the product. If it works as well as the claim say it is, then it's worth the price tag. All of Drunk Elephant skincare products are designed very smartly to keep the product as original quality as possible. I love that. That's why this is one of my favorite skincare brand, even though it's so expensive. I'm just gonna use a tiny bit of it because it's basically gold. Clear gel, it blends out very nicely. Kind of a scent, a very skincare, a little bit chemically kind of a scent, but it's not fragrance. I don't think any of Drunk Elephant skincare product has fragrance or alcohol, bad ingredients, but I'm not a chemist. So if you want to see more detail of the ingredient list, head on to Sephora or to Drunk Elephant website to see the full ingredient list. It doesn't leave any residue on the skin. It doesn't leave a layer. It just disappears completely. And this is not a moisturizer. It's an exfoliating serum. So the main point of it is not to moisturize your skin. It's to resurface your skin. So it will get rid of the dead skin cell and smooth out the texture of your skin, target wrinkles, fine line. You should use this with a moisturizer or mix it with an oil. A cool thing about Drunk Elephant skincare products is that they're all designed to be mixed well together, except for their sunscreen, which is not meant to mix with other stuff. But the rest of their products in the skincare line, you can mix them together to get what you want. So you basically can mix this serum with a beauty oil, as they say, to get some of that moisturizing benefit into your skincare routine. I use this maximum 3 times per week because I just don't think I need it every day. You don't need to exfoliate your skin non-stop. That will make your skin very thin and more susceptible, is that the word, to sunlight and other things to get in, and it's just more complicated. So I use this maximum 3 times a week, but I would say normally 2 times a week, also because it's so expensive. So most nights I use a different serum, and then 2 times a week I'm going to use this serum with my other skincare products, probably in a beauty oil on top of this, to exfoliate my skin. And therefore I don't need to use like a Clarisonic or a sugar scrub, because those things can be a little bit harsh on your skin compared to a chemical peel. If you have super sensitive skin, I would definitely be careful before you go to town with this product. Every other skin type would benefit from this product a lot. You just have to be careful and learn how to use a chemical exfoliant and go slow with it at the beginning, and then you will be able to figure out, okay, how often should I use it? How often is best for my skin? Because everyone's skin is different. I want you to have the best experience with skincare, and therefore you kind of have to learn on your own. I just give you suggestions and I just give you my knowledge of how I use certain products. I like this serum a lot. This is actually my second one that I've bought, so the next one I'll probably go for the bigger size. It's not the kind of product that you will see results immediately. It takes some time for you to see it, and definitely when you stop using it, you will notice the difference. You will want to get it and use it again. It's that kind of a product. I do think my skin texture and the firmness, like the description said, it's kind of does everything at the same time because it's an exfoliant, and giving your skin a chance to refresh and get the new skin cell up and running and get rid of the dead skin cell. It's a really healthy routine for your skin in general. I think that's the main reason why it helps with everything. The only thing I don't like about this product is the price tag. It's just crazy expensive. Whether it's worth it or not, you will have to decide it on your own. Clearly, to me, it is worth it because this is my second bottle. I'm not someone who uses 7 different products for one skincare routine. I only use 1, 2, or maximum 3 products for my skincare routine, nighttime or daytime. So I want to invest in them. I want to get the best product out there for my skin. You just need to try different things and figure out what is best for your skin. I recommend it if you have the budget, and if it is what you're looking for, then go for it. Get a sample first and test it out. That's it, this video. I hope you find it helpful. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know, let us know what you think of this product. Are you intrigued by it? Are you interested? Are you using it already? We can start a discussion. I need to learn more anyway. And if you have any other Drunk Elephant product you want me to test out and review for you, let me know also. I am down to try out. I hope you have a great one. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Until next time, please don't flop.